Okay, we are at 6 Oak in the Wood, and we are going to take a look inside. And it looks beautiful. Oh, because of all the water.
I'm at Oak, so I think I hear it. I'm not far away because they were showing the house.
Yeah.
I'm like trying to figure out what it was.
Yeah, it didn't even dawn on me, but that makes sense.
Wrong one.
The disposal works.
Oh, works. Hutch.
Yes, okay, there's your built-in hutch.
I love the flooring.
Yeah.
And you have this room here too. It's close.
A Florida room is important. Yeah. So this is nice and big. This is where we can have our margaritas and our Subway sandwiches. We're high class, you know.
This is actually a 82.
Okay.
It's in pretty good shape for an 82. And it's got a unique floor plan I haven't seen much.
Okay.
So this is the master bed. This is the guest bathroom that goes into the guest bedroom.
Oh, okay.
Which is very rare.
Yeah, this is set up like my mom's old trailer where you had the door to the spare room. So if Anna comes, she can lock you out, and this can be the Anna room.
Built-in dresser. Not very good lighting.
So if you needed more lighting, you could always put one on the fan. Otherwise, you have to use the lamps. But this is nice and big. Got a double closet. This is bigger than your bedroom now. So, I mean, it's a little dated, but we knew that. But everything's in good shape. No chips, dings, scrapes by the looks of it. Yeah. Got a lot of linen storage. It's pretty nice. So 2 really big bathrooms. And the kitchen isn't huge, but I know that's not a big deal. It's probably got close to what you have for storage now in your house. For that.
A little bit of paint. Take down the curtains.
Yeah, you might want to get rid of the pink wallpaper and the butterflies, but you can do that. So, but you got a lot of extra storage in here with that cabinet. And if you needed another one, there's room right here. You could put another china cabinet right on that wall between the dining room and the living room area. So that's it for this one, and we'll head off to the next one.